Hello students, welcome to Vision Tutorials. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to solve the problems given in your practice set 1.1. In the previous video, we have already discussed the definitions given in your chapter. So let's start with question number 1. Complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. Here two equations are given and the solution part is already provided. So what you need to do, you just need to find the values that should be filled in the given boxes and your final solution that should come over here. Okay. So here 5x plus 3y equals to 9. This is your equation number 1. 2x minus 3y equals to 12. This is your equation number 2. Step given is let's add equations 1 and 2. So now add them. Here plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. So we are left with 5x plus 2x, that will become your 7x. 9 plus 12 is 21. So this 7 will get shifted to the other side. We are left with 21 upon 7. On dividing this 21 by 7, we get 3. So here we are getting value of x as 3. Now place x equals to 3 in equation 1. See the equation 1, 5x plus 3y equals to 9. So instead of x, we are going to write 3. So this 3 will come over here. Next step, 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3y equals to 9. Okay. So the next step is written over here, 3y. And this 15 will get shifted to the other side. 9 minus 15, we are left with minus 6. This minus 6 will come down and this 3 will get shifted to the other side. On dividing minus 6 by 3, we are left with minus 2. In this way, we are getting our solution as x comma y, which is equals to 3 comma minus 2. Now let's move to the question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations. We have two methods, elimination or substitution. Let me tell you when we can use substitution method. Just observe both of the equations. If you find any variable with coefficient as 1, then don't think about anything else. You can go for substitution. So that will make your solution short and easy. Let me show you how. So first step, assign numbers to the given equations. Here 3a plus 5b equals to 26. This is your equation number 1. Next, a plus 5b equals to 22. Write it as equation number 2. Here you can see a is having coefficient 1. So we can modify this equation as a equals to 22. This 5b will get shifted to the other side with a minus sign. And now by placing or by substituting a equals to 22 minus 5b in equation y, we get what we will get. Instead of a, we are supposed to write this. So here 3a. Instead of a, we will write 22 minus 5b plus 5b equals to 26. Now solve this. 3 times 22, 66 minus 3 times 5 is 15b plus 5b equals to 26. This 66 will get shifted to the other side and becomes negative. Here we are left with minus 15 plus 5, which is equals to minus 10b. 26 minus 66. This implies minus 10b equals to minus 40. Negative signs will get cancelled and this 10 will get shifted to the other side. You can cancel out negative signs. Therefore, b equals to 4. And by substituting, b equals to 4 in equation 1. I'm just taking equation 1. You can choose any one of these equations. 3 times a plus 5 times 4. Instead of b, we are supposed to write the value, which is equals to 26. Therefore, 3a plus 20 equals to 26. This implies 3 times a, this 20 will get shifted to the other side and becomes negative because it was positive over here. Minus 20. Therefore, 3a equals to 6. This 3 is multiplied over here. So, when we shift this 3 on the opposite side, it will become a part of denominator. Therefore, a equals to 2. Hence, your solution is a comma b. Here, value of a and b are 2, 4. You can cross-check this solution also. Just choose any one of these equations. Okay, let me select equation number 2. What you need to do? You need to write the LHS, that is left-hand side of the equation, which is a plus 5 times b. Now, put the values of a and b which we got. This one. 2 plus 5 times 4. That is equals to 2 plus 20 equals to 22. See, we are getting 22, which is your RHS, that is your right hand side, means our solution is correct. This is your correct solution. Here is your question number 2. I'm going to solve this question number 2 by elimination method. You can try it with substitution method as well. So, x plus 7y equals to 10. This is your equation number 1. Next, 3x minus 2y equals to 7. This we are going to solve this by elimination method. Means we need to eliminate either of the terms by making their coefficient c. Here we can see that coefficient of x is 1. Means it will be easier for us to modify equation number 1. So, by multiplying 3 on both sides of equation 1, we get, let's see what we are getting. 3 times x will give you 3x plus 3 times 7y, that will give you 21 times y equals to 10 times 3, 30. Mark it as equation number 3. Now we can see that coefficient of x have become same in both of the equations, that is equation number 2 and 3. So we will subtract them. So subtracting equation 2 from 3. Now let's write equation 3 first. 3x plus 21y equals to 30 minus 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Since it is a subtraction, so here sign change for equation 2. That is, this plus will become minus, minus will become plus, again this plus will minus. So here, plus 3 minus 3, this will get cancelled. 21y plus 2y, we will get 23y equals to 30 minus 7 is your 23. This 23 will get shifted to the other side. So therefore, y is equals to 23 by 23 equals to 1. So we got y as 1. Now by substituting y equals to 1, in equation 2, I'm selecting equation 2 this time. You can choose any of the equations. So 3x minus 2 times y. Instead of y, we are going to write the value of y, which is equals to 1, and the equation equals to 7. This implies 3x minus 2 equals to 7. Therefore, 3x, this minus 2 will get shifted to the other side and becomes positive. 7 plus 2, hence 3x equals to 9. Now this 3 is multiplied and this will get shifted to the other side and become a part of denominator. 9 divided by 3, hence your x is equals to 3. Therefore, the solution is x comma y, which is equals to 3 comma y. So this is our solution. Let us move to question number 3. Again, I'll be using elimination method. Okay. So 2x minus 3y equals to 9. Equation number 1. 2x plus y equals to 13. This is your equation number 2. We can see that coefficient of x is same in both the equations, but they are having the same sign. So we are going to subtract the equations. Here, by subtracting, equation 1 from 2, we get, say what we are getting. From 2 we have written subtracting equation 1 from 2. So equation number 2 will come first. 2x plus y equals to 13 minus 2x minus 3y equals to 9. Since it is a subtraction sign, so all the signs of equation number 2 will get changed. This plus will become minus, minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. Now, this plus 2x and minus 2x will get cancelled. 1y plus 3y is 4y equals to 13 minus 9 is 4. Hence, this 4 will get shifted to the other side. So we are left with 4 by 4, that is y. So your value of y is 1. Now substitute this value y equals to 1 in any of these equation. I am substituting this value in equation number 1. So substituting y equals to 1 in equation 1. See what we are getting? 2 times x minus 3. Instead of y, we are going to write the value, that is 1, which is equals to 9. Therefore, 2x minus 3 equals to 9. Therefore, 2x equals to 9. This minus 3 will get shifted to the other side and becomes positive. Plus 3. Therefore, 2 times x equals to 12. Hence, x equals to 12 by 2. For x, after dividing 12 by 2, we are left with 6. So your solution is x comma y, which is equals to 6 comma 1. Now try it with the other method and check you are getting the same solution or not. It is not compulsory to go with both of the methods. It's just I want you to check whether the method you are using correctly or not. Now move to the question number 4. I'm going to solve this by substitution method. 5n minus 3n equals to 19. Mark it as equation 1. m minus 6n equals to minus 7. See, here we are getting m as coefficient 1. We can modify this second equation. So we can write it as 6n minus 7. This minus 6n will get shifted to the other side and becomes positive. Now, substituting m equals to 6n minus 7 in your equation 1. See what we will get. 5. Instead of m, we are going to write this 6n minus 7. So, 6n minus 7 minus 3n equals to 19. Now solve the bracket. 5 times 6 is 30 n minus 5 times 7 is 35 minus 3n equals to 19. Therefore, 30n minus 3n is your 27n minus 35 equals to 19. Hence, 27n, this minus 35 will get shifted to the other side and becomes plus 35. Therefore, 27n equals to 54 and n equals to 54 upon 27. So this is how you will get n equals to 2. And now again substituting the value in either of the equations. I am substituting this value in equation number 2. So substituting n equals to 2 in equation 2, we get m minus 6n. Instead of n, I am going to write the value which is 2 equals to minus 7. Now solve the bracket. M minus 12 equals to minus 7. This 12 will get shifted to the other side and becomes positive. Minus 7 plus 12. Hence, the value of our m will be plus 5. Therefore, our solution is m comma n, which is equals to 5 comma 2.